Stop. Bye.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the perfect silk press using my Bare Canvas by Sherry Ann hair care line. So whether you're a pro or a newbie, I've got you covered. Ready? Let's jump right on into it. But first, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. Alright, so we're going to start with 2 washes using the apple cider vinegar shampoo. This gently clarifies the scalp, removing buildup and prepping your hair for the next step. Make sure that you focus on the scalp. My go-to saying is clean scalp equals clean hair. So once again, we're going to be using this shampoo twice, and you're going to be focusing on the scalp. The rest of the hair will be clean if you focus on the scalp. Up next, we're going to be using the Intense Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. With this shampoo, you're only going to use once, and then you're going to follow up with the conditioner. This combination is like a hydration station for your hair. The shampoo cleanses and hydrates, while the conditioner locks the moisture into your hair, making your hair silky and smooth and super easy to manage. I want to add that all Bare Canvas by Sherry Ann products are free from harsh chemicals like sulfates, parabens, and silicones. This means they're gentle on your hair and your scalp, reducing irritation and damage while enhancing the overall health and shine of your hair. Okay, let's get back into this silk press. After shampooing and before you completely detangle the hair, you want to section the hair off. This is 8 sections, I believe, and I'm going to be applying product in each section. It is also a heat protectant, and it is infused with jasmine. So if you are familiar with that scent, just imagine what this leave-in conditioner smells like. It smells so good. Next up, we're going to be using our moisturizing blow dry cream. Now, this cream with the leave-in conditioner is top notch. It's like you can't have one without the other. So I'm going to evenly distribute this product into every single section, making sure that I am touching every strand of hair. It's very important that you get the product in every single piece of the hair, on every strand. So that's why I'm using this brush for, to go ahead and detangle the hair, but also just making sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout the entire hair strap, each hair strap. After every section that I put product in, I like to twist the hair into Bantu knots. The reason why is because I want to keep the hair moisturized. I don't want it to dry by the time I'm done with my last section. So the Bantu knot will keep the product sealed, and then it will also make sure the hair does not dry out while I'm trying to detangle the entire head. Sometimes it takes a while to detangle the hair, but the Bantu knots will help you. Alright, so now we are ready for our blow drying process. The blow drying process is one of the most important things to achieve a great silk press. As you can see, I am blowing downward on the hair shafts while still keeping some tension with my other hand. And look how smooth that blow dryer just goes through. That is the leave-in conditioner in the blow dry cream. It detangles the hair so well. And it's just allowing that blow dryer to just flow straight through the hair. So we're gonna hurry up and get through this process, speed up the video, and you guys can watch. Okay guys, now it's time for the Gossamer Heat Protectant. This is my number 2 best-selling product. The first best-selling product is the hair and scalp oil, but this one right here is the second best-selling product. You can use this before your silk press and after your silk press. This product protects the hair at 450 degrees of heat, and it helps prevent breakage and frizz. And you might see a little smoke, but that's normal. It's just the product doing its job. But it is anti-frizz and humidity resistant. And this is the product that my clients love, especially all of my silk press clients. So I'm going to be putting just a small size, like a dime size amount, in each section of the hair. And I'm going to be combing it through. Okay, once again, guys, sectioning is so very important in any hairstyle, especially silk pressing. You don't feel so overwhelmed when the hair is sectioned, and it helps you just have a lot more control over what you're doing. All right, so we're going to start at the nape of the hair. So here is a tip that I learned from a mentor about 10 years ago when doing a silk press. When you are doing a silk press, you are putting 400 and whatever degrees on your client's hair. You have to let that hair cool before you comb it and before you manipulate it in any type of way. That's actually a really, really, really good secret to achieving a really flawless silk press, is when you are, after you have gone down the hair shaft with the flat iron, leave it to cool. Do not comb it. Do not touch it. Don't allow your clients to touch it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this throughout the entire hair, and this part is just a bit satisfying. So I'm done talking for now, and just enjoy. So I know I just mentioned not to comb the hair or touch the hair, but in the speeded up version, you see me combing the hair. Well, you want it to cool for at least 10 seconds. You don't have to not comb it the whole time you're doing the silk press, but just let it cool for a while. You can go back through it with the comb, but just let it cool for just a second. Okay, now we're going back to the video. Look how silky, shiny, and smooth these curls are. I've had clients tell me that their silk presses has lasted them anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. I would like for you guys to follow my business pages on Instagram, beauty_by_Sherry_Ann and Bare Canvas by Sherry Ann on Instagram. There you will find tips and all other information about the hair care line. This was such a fun tutorial. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.